This is Monty. Welcome to our channel, Legos and Beyond. And I'm showing you how to build a regular boat and a sailboat. So let's get started from the sailboat. So get these two pieces and put them together.
Can you show?
Like this. Squeeze it. Squeeze this. So now you have these two. And put this here. And then another one here. So it looks like this shape. Now we're going to put this. And the back one, put this thing, which does not have holes. And put this, which also does not have holes. But now we're gonna take this piece and look, like this kind of part. Okay, now we're gonna do these two gray parts. So let's put this gray part first at this gray one, and now let's do it at the yellow one. So, wait. So, it will look like this. Now, you would put this to here. Now, put this red piece, put this thing and this here. Just put this at the side. And now, finally, let's add this part into it. And I'll show you that it looks like this. Now, put it here. But if you don't have the pieces, then just watch the video. But then, if you do have the pieces, then you can unbuild it. So now, we'll continue. So get this red piece and put it here. So we have this part now. Put this at the side. Put this at the side. So now, get these two, and one purple of this. Now, connect this purple. I'll show you it's like this. And then connect another blue one like this. So now you have this shape. Get two of these and put it at the sides. So now it'll look like this. But there's no connecting parts. So let's first make it. Put this at the side where your base part is. And now let's make the part which connects with this part. Let's do this. And here we go. Now connect these two. Wait, let me first show you this one. Now connect it. And it'll look like this. And put this one here. Now, we're going to do this piece. Put it here. And then the other piece, put it here. And finally, the last part. Put these two together and put it here. And there you have your sailboat. So I'll show you all the parts. Okay? Now let's make the regular boat. Here, I'll show you it again. Okay, now let's make the regular boat. So you start with this piece and put this right over here. Now get these two pieces and put one like this and one like this. So now you have this part. Good to go. Now the last part for this is put this on. It's a simple boat. So put this on and then I'll show you this part. Look like this. And I'll show you this part too. So now you have this and this. Now let's continue on this part. So put this here, add these two, and then put this over here. And now finally you put this part here. And now you have your regular boat. I'll show you it. Now I will show you the sailboat again. Okay? So you have this model of a boat and this model of a boat. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and subscribe and like. And we will do another video of these Lego things. Okay, bye!